Good morning, children. Today we are going to see the worksheet on the chapter A Treat for Mosquitoes. Children, this time I have given you a PDF of question and answer so that you are going to write in your fair notebook, and this worksheet is your practice worksheet. This you will be doing in your practice copy. So here, after every chapter, I will give you this worksheet as a part of your revision of the chapter, and at the same time you will prepare yourself for the exams. So here is our chapter, A Treat for Mosquitoes. First of all, we have fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks with appropriate words given in the box. Ronald Ross, Beaumont, algae, fungus, flu, dengue fever, malaria, chikungunya, caterpillars, anopheles, larvae, flies. Malaria is spread by female mosquitoes known as dash. You will find out from the help box and you will fill the blanks. Mosquitoes spread diseases like dash and dash. The green growth around the stagnant water is made up of dash. Apart from mosquitoes, dash also spread many diseases. Dr. Dash found that mosquitoes spread malaria. Write T for true and F for false statements. Malaria is spread only by one kind of mosquito. Blood for testing malaria is taken from the place where a mosquito has bitten. Children suffering from anemia do not grow well and their energy levels are low. In municipal corporation schools, health checkups are done and health cards are made for children. Mosquitoes breed in stagnant water. Mosquitoes lay eggs in water only. Fish eat the mosquito larvae present in water. Flies also bite like mosquitoes. The word malaria means bad air. So please go through your textbook and try to search the answers and do the correct answers only in your practice notebook. Go thoroughly from your textbook and then only start answering. Now then we have multiple choice questions or MCQs. How much blood is needed to test malaria? From early times, which tree bark was used to prepare medicine for malaria? How much blood is needed to test for anemia? Anemia is caused by the deficiency of calcium, iron, vitamin A, vitamin D. Options are also there and one is the correct answer. In which season is malaria more common? Summer, winter, spring or monsoon? Ronald Ross got the Nobel Prize for physics, medicine, chemistry, literature. Ronald Ross got the Nobel Prize in the year. Go through your textbook and find out the correct answer. Circle the food items rich in iron. Curd, amla, French beans, cauliflower, banana, apple, jaggery, spinach, milk, potato, curry leaves. Give the reason. It is advised not to eat cut or uncovered food items. We should put kerosene oil in fountains, water cooler, etc. where there is stagnant water? Answer the following questions. What is anemia? What kind of diet is suggested for a patient of anemia? What is given in municipal schools to anemic children? Observe the given picture and answer the following questions. These pictures are from your book. Which test is being done in the pic A? Name the instrument that the doctor is using in pic B. And the last one is how can we come to know that the person has malaria? And here is, look at Aarti's blood report and answer the following questions. Here is a clinical pathology report. Some thing is written, few things are written over here. Some of the information is given over here in the clinical pathological report. First, children, I would like you to go through all these things, whatever is written in this square box. Try to read everything from here and then only try to answer. How old is Aarti and what is the minimum amount of hemoglobin required in her body? What do the blood report tell us about Aarti? Observe the picture and answer the following questions. Now here is a picture. It is again from your book only. Identify the great scientist in the picture. What contribution has he made in the field of science? Write a few lines about his research. Now here we have, list some activities in and around your house which you can perform to prevent the diseases like malaria, dengue and chikungunya. What is larvae? What do they look like and how do they spread diseases? Why people are advised to clear the stagnant water immediately? Think, find and write. Look at the various preventive measures shown in the picture and write 2 to 3 lines on each. Also give some other preventive measures against mosquito bites. Look in your surroundings and find out how flies cause diseases even though they do not bite us. Hope you will think about those flies who are causing us diseases, though they are not biting us. So that is also there. And now children, again I am showing you this right from the beginning. A treat for mosquitoes. Go through the textbook first of all. After that you will write down the question answers given by me in the PDF and then you will write these practice notebook work in your practice copy. It is a treat for mosquitoes. Fill in the blanks. True, false. Then we have MCQs. Slowly I am scrolling. You can pause also. You can mute me also. If you will mute the video and then you will watch, then you can answer also. You can do oral practice afterwards, just before the exams, but just now at present time, these days, you should do lot of writing work. This is everything about the chapter. Keeping in mind these questions, you can read the textbook page, so it will be more helpful for you. Okay? Bye-bye.